Okay, this time I'll show you the screwdriver set of Wiha tools. So, in the first hand we have a beautiful branded box with the main brand and the website in the other side. What is in the box? Okay, when you open this box, you will have additional material to protect from the transportation, an insulation certificate. Okay, these tools are insulated for electrical engineers. And finally, we have two screwdriver sets. So we have a Phillips and other kind for the contactors maybe. Oh, it feels good. We have a code bar, the Wiha brand, the insulation value, and made in Germany. Finally, we have all the features in one side of each screwdriver. So we have we have 10 screwdrivers for each kind of task. So we could use this kind of screwdrivers with some devices like this, contactors, switches, or any industrial device. It really feels good, and we can use with each kind of device. That will be the practice in the next video. So let's test the product.